Responding to an alarm condition on a Notifier 50X. If a pull station gets activated, the system is going to display an alarm, and your alarm signals will go off. Pressing alarm silence silences the panel and your horn strobes. The display will tell you what type of device is an alarm, where it is, and what the address of the device is, and the date and time that the alarm occurred. If another device activates, such as a smoke detector, you can hit your alarm silence again, and now there are two alarms in the system. Need to investigate as to why those alarms went off. You need to manually reset the pull station before you can reset the system. And after the all clear is given, you can reset your system.